Ever felt like your meticulously crafted Minecraft world is constantly under siege by unwelcome guests? Well, today we're diving headfirst into how to take back control and stop those pesky mobs from spawning and ruining your builds. Our first, and arguably simplest, method is embracing the power of light. Mobs, especially hostile ones, can only spawn in dark areas. So, if you light up your base, your farms, or even those dimly lit caves with torches, glowstone, or sea lanterns, you'll drastically reduce mob spawns. Think of it as a universal no-entry sign for monsters, for immediate relief, or if you're just focused on building and exploration without any combat. Switching to peaceful difficulty is the ultimate solution. This completely eliminates hostile mob spawns. You'll still get passive creatures like sheep and cows, but creepers and zombies, gone. Now, for more advanced control, let's talk about specific blocks. Hostile mobs cannot spawn on transparent blocks, and this includes slabs if they are placed in their bottom half. So, lining your pathways, castle grounds, or any area you want to keep mob-free with slabs, whether they're made of stone, wood, or even fancy quartz, will prevent those creatures from popping into existence right under your feet. Remember, combining these techniques strategic lighting, thoughtful block placement, and maybe even the occasional dip into peaceful mode will give you the ultimate power over mob spawns, ensuring your Minecraft world remains exactly how you want it.